Hey guys, come along. We're going to just do a bunch of tying up of loose ends. We're going to do the roof, the trim, inside, screw down the rest of the floor. We're just going to tie some stuff up on this one. Let's go. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. You know what, guys, I'm about half tempted that after I get this thing insulated, I might spend the night in it. I might just throw down my mattress on the floor and plug in an electric heater and just see how cold it is in here. Or if a little electric heater is going to keep it warm enough. If it's 12 degrees or 15 or 25 and a little electric heater is all I need, you know what? Then I'm not going to put in my big heater. We'll see. That may be a challenge. Challenge! See that movie? Challenge! Alright, let's start screwing this floor down all the way. There are screws off and on over, the whole thing, but I don't mean really get it tied down like it was before, where there was a screw every 2.5 inches. No, just kidding. I am going to put down several screws though. All right, let's see, there's one more, but, all right, so just finishing up putting down the floor from yesterday and today. Those are the screws that are just junk. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, so I'm fixing to start trimming out the outside of the camper. And there are two different thoughts on PVC trim. The stuff I ordered is right here, okay? I ordered it because it's for exterior vinyl housing, like siding. So it's to trim out around it. It's a closed cell. It's very hard. It's just like PVC pipe. You can't, it is sticking hard. Now there's the other stuff that you get at Home Depot and stuff like that, and you can do some trimming, and you see, let's see if I can get that to focus. Right there. There you go. See that? That's open. And here's what happens. Oh my goodness. This stuff is not what I want. And of course I wasn't going to use this stuff anyways, I just had some. But I am going to use my actual PVC that is made to do this. I went to do the other side and sit down in the snow. Made my butt wet. And this is the problem with PVC. Oh my goodness. Static electricity, and it's dry, the grass is dry. It's just sticking to it. It doesn't matter what I do. I'm about half tempted to roll the stinking thing up onto the concrete up here. It's not that heavy, I could do it by hand. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I'm using to seal this stuff up. It's Pheno-Seal. Okay, it's a vinyl adhesive and caulking. It's made for doing vinyl siding. It is sticky stuff right off the get-go, but it comes right off. Problem is, you got about 2 minutes, and that's it. And then you can't, clean it up. It starts hardening. Surface starts getting tension, and you're done. So you got to work quick. But it is well worth it. Once again, vinyl adhesive and caulking for PVC vinyl outside corner. Use the right stuff for the right stuff. And that's the rub. It was already forming a skin. That's the rub. But also the great part. Next video, I'm gonna pull out that door and I am going to set it. permanently. Yeah, that's scary. Come on back and watch it. I'll catch y'all next time. If you like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see some more, just hit one of these other videos. Y'all have a good evening, and I'll catch you next time. Later.